Being a UX/UI professional means that you are responsible for making a technology or a product fun to use, easy to use, and accessible for everyone. You are basically the detective or the hero of the product. You need to go around, ask questions, know what the problem is, determine that problem, and find ways to solve it. The end product should be very fun to use, should be usable by everyone, and accessible to everyone, no matter who it is that uses it. The first time I heard about UX/UI design was through a human-computer interaction course in university. I remember our professor saying, "Hey, I'm gonna introduce a new job to you guys that you might not heard before, which is UX/UI design." Everyone was confused. Is it graphic design? Is it motion design? What is it? And the more we learned about it, I personally fell more in love with it. It has problem solving, which I love. It has design, which is creativity, which I also love. And it also has psychology, which I also enjoy learning about. So the more we took projects in that course, the more I was all like, this is the job for me. Solving problems for people, making things easier for people, all while doing design work. That sounded just perfect. The first thing that wowed me about UX/UI design is how diverse it is. No two UX/UI projects are the same. One project could take 2 weeks, the other could take 6 months, based on how difficult the problem is, based on the product you want to create. One day it could be a website, one day it could be a whole new app for people to use. So what wowed me about it is that there's not a boring day to me as a UX/UI designer, because every day is different. And I expected that I would at least be bored of the process, coming from a multimedia background. But even the process itself, it keeps changing, it keeps evolving. You learn something new every day, something new gets discovered in the field every day. So the diversity is what really wowed me and made me love this field. The UX/UI design space in Jordan is relatively new. It is very easy to access due to it being new, and everyone is friendly because empathy is a big part about being a UX/UI designer. So everyone should be friendly, from the manager to the juniors. And there are a lot of awesome events for UX/UI designers happening almost every week that I do recommend people to join it. A lot of companies are asking for UX/UI designers, so getting into the space professionally is also very easy to do.